Hi friends, welcome back for next lectures. I hope are you very well feels my lectures continue watching the PLC programming lectures. So today we will discuss on PLC programming like shift registers, numeric functions, codes 010, lecture number 24, PLC Omron software CX programmer version 9.5. This is lecture the basic programming. Continue like shift registers, memory functions and function code SFT or 010, and shift inputs like have three inputs, data inputs and shift input and reset inputs. Shift inputs called ST. ST is the LSB. LSB is the least significant bits. Shift one by one, like the symbols to continue one first LSB to 1 by 1 bit shifting from MSB 2. When data inputs is coming from MSB, LSB, the most bit is on. When data input is going off, then no bits is coming on, and 1 by 1 shift LSB to MSB. So MSB the most significant bits. So let's go for programming. Let's see. I have already used and created the programming. I used the inputs like 0.00, and this is the data input, and 0.01 like so we changes the inputs value calls enters like data inputs. Data input, okay, and this is a shift input. Again bit enters sh shift input, okay, and this is 0.02 resets, reset RST called short form. So like the starting was 28 and end was the 30s. You can decide you need according. So today here they used 28 as starting bars and 30s ends bars. Like online simulation, control shift and W. This is the online simulations, and we can watching of window. So this is the shortcut key Alt+3. This is the shortcut key. Like address is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Use like address is the binary value. When inputs shift inputs are going off to on, then 28 binary value shifting one by one LSB to MSB. So check this input again on, but 28 uh, starting version no have value. So first the value like 30, sorry, this is the 13th, okay, is the 13th calls 28 the 30 hex value 30. Now inputs, this input shifting from shift inputs is going from off to on, then this input changes from LSB to MSB side. So then it changes control plus G, this is forcefully on, then this value is this changes again one time, control plus G is off, showing control plus G is off. Now this value again changes, so control plus G, this value is shifting from one bit to 1 bit shifting. If data register value is on, then MSB value 0 to going to 1. Now check of this bits inputs, data inputs is going on, then this LSB is the most bits going placed. So this is the control plus G, this is on. Now again this is the shift register inputs, and then control plus G, sorry, control plus G, then here the 0 to 1 changes. And now if this value continue, this changes and MSB increases, So let's see. Now this value again to shifting from LSB to MSB. So check, and also this the MSB value most significant bits is LSB. So right side is the on. So check when, because data inputs is going on. So this is on. Control plus key, this is off. It's now control plus key is off, and then again on. Control plus J. Now to the LSB is value is 1, and also data register value is shifting from LSB to MSB, right side to left side. So this is the shifting of data registers value. So I think this is lecture for helpful. If you any had doubt, so you can ask me directly. I will definitely support you. Thank you for watching this video.